Which programming language best for you? Are you also confused between Python and Java? So guys, you are on the correct place. Watch the video till the end. You will definitely find the answer for this question, because similarly I also have a question in my life when I am going to start learn the programming language. So I am also like you, that which programming language I should choose. Is Python or it's Java? So वीडियो में लास्ट तक बने रहिए और इसका आंसर आपको डेफिनेटली मिलेगा. विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So guys, here we are on the round 1, which is all about which language is easy to learn. So these are the syntax for the programming language. This is for Python and this is for Java. As you can see, for the Python language, it's a print statement which is a single line statement, and it's all about for the learning purpose. The programming language Python is similar to the English language, and if you look towards the Java programming language, you have to write the 4 to 5 lines for the single print statement. So in this battle, Python is the winner. Let us quickly move towards the round 2. If I talk about the round 2, it's all about the performance. Before starting this round, I would like to tell you that Python is the dynamically typed language and Java is the statically typed language. So what is this static and what is dynamic? Don't worry, look at this. As you can see the example in the Python, that there is a single variable which is working as a multiple data type. For the string there is a polymath, and for the integer there is a 2. For the float value there is 2.5. As we have not defined the which data type for the that variable x, Python is dynamically deciding the data type for that. But if we look into the Java syntax, so there is the variable, the name of that variable is name. Here you have to define each and everything, even the data type. So this is known as the static type. So as we are defining each and everything in the Java, the performance is better. So in this round, the winner is Java. So we are on the third round, and the third round is all about the job availability in the market. These are the some companies using Python programming language, and these are the some companies which are using Java programming language. So you can see that there is a tie between this round, as both the programming language stand on the same position. There is the job for the Python language as well as for the Java language. If you talk about the salary package for this programming language, then the salary package for the both the programming language is mostly equal. So in this round, both the language have matched tied. So we are going to move us towards our round 4, and round 4 is all about the security. Which language is more secure? If you talk about the security, both the languages are secure, but when the Python is compared with the Java in the field of web development and web application, the Java is more secure. So in this round, Java is the winner. So we are going to moving towards our final round, which is round 5th. This round is all about practical agility. As you can see that Python is useful for machine learning, artificial intelligence and IoT, and the Java is useful for web application, mobile application, UI designs. These are the some fields where both the programming language are used. But nowadays, machine learning, automation, IoT, artificial intelligence, data science, these are the fields which are rapidly growing in the market. So in this round, the Python is the winner. So without wasting our time, we are going to move towards our result, which is next. And you can see that 2 rounds is win by the Python programming language and 2 rounds is win by the Java, and one route is tie between both the language. So if someone is saying that this programming language is best for you, my friend, it is a big lie for you, because each and every programming language have their specific field in which they are best. For example, if you look for the machine learning, then definitely Python is best. But if you are going with the security purpose in the web application and website development, so the Java is more secure, as there are the many frameworks which help in the website and web application development. They are jQuery, etc., etc. So by this point you can decide in which field you are going to explore yourself. Based on that, you can decide which programming language is best for you. So here Battle is tie. So if you want to join with us, kindly follow our Instagram page and subscribe our channel. Thank you.